babaeng unang gabi.
Start of the fourth period.
Ball possession po ng Troopers. Official score 42-41, 1 point lead by Patriots. No good, follow up, basket by Morelos.
Score 43-42. 1 point lead by Troopers. Change favor tayo.
Basket by Dinglasan.
Change favor 43-44. In favor of Patriots.
15 seconds to shoot. Villafranca. No good. Rebound by Bautista. Pass break to intercept by Santiago. Foul committed by number 5 Tapalio. Warning for foul out. Substitution rep number 22 out. Jesus in. Substitution rep Tapalia out. Mamawag in. Inbound by Santiago. Basket by Villafranca. Inbound by Bautista. Kissing Lasan.
45-44. 1 point lead by Troopers.
Basket count by Dinglasan plus a foul.
46-45. 1 point lead by Patriots.
Substitution rep. De Leon out. Salvador in. De Leon third personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot given to number 25. Dinglasan. Time remaining 8 minutes and 48 seconds left. Bonus shot basket. Official score 47-45. 2 points lead by Patriots.
Ole, ole, ole.
Basket.
Deadlock at 47.
Del Rosario 3-point shot, no good. Follow up. Basket by Del Rosario.
49-47. 2 point lead by Troopers. By Patriots, sorry.
Villafranca. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Del Rosario. No good. Rebound by Villafranca. Intercept by Del Rosario.